If you've just seen E1F3 whirlpool washer flashing on your machine, you're probably wondering what just happened, and whether you're about to spend your weekend dealing with a broken appliance. The washing machine was working fine yesterday, right? So why now? Why this strange code out of nowhere? Let's break it down together, because this one isn't as scary as it seems. The E1F3 whirlpool washer error is your machine's way of saying, I'm having trouble figuring out how much water's in the drum. Basically, it is not getting the right signal about the water level, which can throw off the whole wash cycle. The usual suspect, a glitch with a pressure sensor, but sometimes it's a faulty pressure switch, a clogged hose, or even the control board playing tricks. Before you panic or call a technician, take a breath. There's one simple thing you can do first. If the hose is kinked, blocked, or even has a little water trapped in the wrong place, the sensor might freak out and throw this code. The same goes if the sensor itself is dirty or damaged. On my channel, I've got more videos explaining what's really going on inside your washer, including full breakdowns of common error codes and how to fix them safely. It's just trying to tell you something, and once you learn to listen, everything gets a lot simpler. It's not always easy to spot, but it can make all the difference. Unplug the machine from the wall, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in. You'd be surprised how often this quick reset clears the error and brings your washer back to life. But what if it comes back? But if the error keeps showing up after a reset, it's worth having a look behind that bottom panel or checking the hose for any twists or blockages. A little curiosity goes a long way. That's where it gets a bit more interesting. There's one thing hiding inside your washer that most people never check, and it might be exactly what's causing the problem. The pressure sensor in your washer is like a tiny detective. It measures the air pressure in a hose to know how much water is inside. Now, you don't need to tear your machine apart just yet. And if you're thinking, okay, but what if I make it worse? Don't worry, you're not alone. Because at the end of the day, your washer isn't trying to ruin your day.